Hi, my name is Elizabeth Griever, and my company is Everson Cooper, and we provide solutions to homeowners that need to sell their house in an as-is condition. And this is my public service announcement video series. And today I want to talk to you about the importance of flood insurance. Quick disclaimer, I do not sell flood insurance. I do not get a kickback from this video at all whatsoever. I just think it's really important to be aware of how crucial it is to have flood insurance throughout the state of Texas, but oh my goodness, especially here in Houston. So since 2016, we have had 100-year floods, 500-year floods, and 800-year flood since in 3 years. It's 2019 to date when I filmed this video, and we have had more than our share of freak floods. And we ran into so many people who had been in their houses for 30 or 40 years. They've paid it off completely. They're not in a flood zone. They've never ever flooded, and they lost everything in the last few years, sometimes twice. So it is just unbelievably important that everybody, especially here in Houston, has flood insurance. I don't care if you're not in a flood zone. I don't care if you've never flooded. I don't care if you think that that's crazy. I mean, I'm telling you, the $400 and some odd that it costs for a homeowner to have flood insurance on their primary residence is nothing compared to what you will lose if you do not have it. So I really want to encourage you how crucial it is to get flood insurance. All this infrastructure, all the building that's happening up around Houston, the torrential rains that we have kind of regularly, the fact that we are at sea level and rising water can happen at the drop of a hat around here. It is just really, really important to have, and it's not worth putting your family and your home and your life at risk over $400 some odd to have flood insurance. So please find your local insurance agent and talk to them about getting flood insurance on your property. My dog is really passionate about this public service announcement, so listen to him. He is the Cooper in Everson Cooper, and he says to get flood insurance. Thanks so much for tuning in.